Assalamualaikum level 2. I am your class teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Level 2. Hope you all are doing well. Beta, this is your mathematics unit. Come on, take out your textbook of mathematics and open page number 286. Level 2. This is the second lecture of mathematics. First lecture was the start of this unit number 11, capacity and volume. In the previous lecture, what we have done, we have completed our capacity and volume definitions in our exercise book, as well as we also done exercise related to topic 11.1 in our textbook and in our workbook as well. Now this is second lecture of unit number 11, which is measuring capacity and volume in liter. Hope level 2 you have a clear concept what is volume and what is capacity now. Look at the carton of the milk and the bottle of cooking oil. What do you see? The carton contains 1 liter of milk. The bottle contains 1 liter of cooking oil. Syra and Janius pour the milk and cooking oil into two 1 liter jugs. The capacity of each jug is the same. But they are saying that we have one carton and one bottle. Carton of milk and bottle of cooking oil. Milk, the volume of the milk is 1 liter, while the volume of cooking oil is also 1 liter. It means milk and cooking oil volume is the same. What did Syra and Janius do? They poured whole milk and whole cooking oil into two separate jugs of 1 liter. The capacity of each jug is 1 liter. What did they notice? They noticed by pouring milk and cooking oil into a jug of 1 liter capacity, they noticed that the volume of milk and cooking oil is same, as well as the capacity of milk and cooking oil. The capacity of the two jugs is also same because the shape of the container is same and both jugs are of 1 liter. Therefore, the capacity is same as well as the volume of milk and cooking oil is also same. Can you see that the volume of milk and cooking oil are the same? Yes, we can easily see that the volume of cooking oil is 1 liter and the volume of milk is also 1 liter. We can measure the volume of a liquid in liter. This is the measurement, how you measure a liquid. This is the unit of measuring a liquid. Like level 2 we have done in the previous chapter, measuring in meter and centimeter, in which we have measured some objects, some solid objects in meter and centimeter. And we use cm for centimeter and m for meter. Just like this, to represent liter we use letter L. L is used for liter. So we use liter to measure volume of any object. Alright. Capacity of container is also measured in liter. Level 2. As we can see, these two jugs are of 1 liter. It means the capacity is of 1 liter. Now, you can notice beta, the capacity of the container is also measured in 1 liter. That's why these containers, these two jugs are of 1 liter. Janius drinks some milk from the jug. Now the volume of the milk in the jug is less than 1 liter. The volume of the milk was 1 liter. When the Janius drinks some milk from the jug, the volume decreases less than 1 liter. Alright, the volume of the milk decreases as you can see in the second image. It means the volume of, after drinking some milk from 1 liter of jug, after drinking some milk, the volume of cooking oil and the volume of milk is different from each other. Page number 287. Each container can hold less than 1 liter of liquid. You can see in this image. In this image, beta, this is a tin, cup, glass and bottle. These 4 containers are that type of containers that can hold less than 1 liter of liquid. Any liquid less than 1 liter. While the bucket, this bottle, gallon and this pot can hold more than 1 liter of liquid. Look at the volume of the water in each container. What is the volume in one container? The volume of one container is 3 liter. The volume of B container is 4 liter. The volume of C container is 2 liter. Level 2, what is your assignment? This is super easy assignment of your textbook. Page number 290, 291 of your textbook and 207 and 208 of your workbook. Now this is your textbook assignment. Page number 290 and then 291. This is page number 290. What is the volume of water in each container? The volume of water in A container is 3 liter, while the volume of B container is, you can see, 5 liter. There are dash liter of water in A container, 3 liter. There are dash liter of water in container B, 5 liter. There are dash liter more water in container B than in container A. Now in this question they are asking the difference between these two containers. What is the difference? What is the difference between container B and container A? Level 2, remember one thing. To find out the difference of any object, we will go for the subtraction method. This is 5 liter and this container hold 3 liter. There is 3 liter liquid in container A, while in B container there is 5 liter. To find the difference, what we will do, we will subtract the greater amount. First we will write the greater amount and then we will write the lesser amount. Greater amount is 5. 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. There are 2 liter more water in container B than in container A. Here we have find out the container difference, the difference in volume. What is the capacity of each bucket? What is the capacity? This bucket gives 1, 2, 3, 4 liter water, while second bucket gives 6 liter of water. So what is the capacity of each bucket? The capacity of this bucket is 4 liter, while the capacity of this bucket is 6 liter. Bucket X has a capacity of 4 liter. Number B, bucket Y, has a capacity of 6 liter. The capacity of bucket X is dash liter less than bucket Y. Here they also want the difference between bucket X and bucket Y. For this purpose, we will subtract 4 by 6. First we will write 6 minus 4 equals 2. The capacity of bucket is 2 liter less than bucket Y. Page number 291. Write the volume of a liquid that was in each container. What was the volume in each container? 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter. Just we have to count how many liters are there and then we will write the number of liter that was in each container. 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 liter, 7 liter and so on. This is your workbook, page number 207. Compare the capacity of a container. The carton of milk has a capacity of 1 liter. Carton of milk has a capacity, this milk carton has a capacity of 1 liter, exact 1 liter capacity. Write the words more or less to describe the capacities of the other containers. We have to compare the capacities of a container. The capacity of the water container is dash than 1 liter. Beta, they only told us that the capacity of milk container is 1. Now we have to compare this milk carton capacity with the other types of container. So the water container is dash than 1 liter. This water container is less than 1 liter or more than 1 liter. I think this is more than 1 liter. Yes, this is more than 1 liter. Teacup is dash than 1 liter. This teacup, is this less than 1 liter or greater than 1 liter? This is less than. Oil container. Oil container is less than or more than. This is more than 1 liter. While soda bottle is less than or more than. This is less than 1 liter. Now page number 208 of your workbook. Color to show the volume. Take your color level 2. Use light color to color the object to make a liquid. Just use light blue color or any of the light color. Don't use dark color. I prefer you to use only light blue color. 1 liter of water. You have to color only 1 liter of water. It means you have to color only till this line. 1 liter. 4 liters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Till there. 4 liter. 9 liter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, 9 liter of water, 6 liter, 8 liter, and then completely 10 liter of water. This is done level 2. Hope you understand this topic. This is easy and this is also very interesting. Now we will continue and I'll give you the lecture number 3 of your mathematics 11.3 inshallah. Hope level 2 you all do your work within the time and also send me the picture of your work. Level 2, take very good care of yourself. Write date on your page, on your textbook as well as in your workbook. Now stay safe, stay healthy level 2. Allah Hafiz.